When studying the Bible, you meet a group of people called the Levites. And at first, the Levites were cursed by their patriarch, Jacob. But after a series of effective strategies, they were able to amass a large quantity, a large fortune, and was able to govern. Their first strategy was to articulate their plan to like-minded people and to partner with like-minded people to overcome this curse to rule. Their second strategy was to actually convince people that for them to rule was a divine purpose, a divine order. Their next strategy was to govern the people using their superior skill sets of advanced knowledge. The next strategy was to psychologically condition the people with a series of senseless acts to guarantee the people's compliance. Their next strategy was to send the people to war, start wars and send the people to wars which they themselves, as the Levites, do not go to the war. They're exempt from going to the war. Another strategy that they utilized was to take all the money from the people through taxes and other means, such as offerings that the people will have to offer to them. Also, they would permanently give themselves land from the state, land that was unclaimed, or land that was sold to someone else, and if that person passes, they would have the rights as the ruling class to capture and keep the land permanently. To maintain this control over the people, they would threaten the people. They would maintain their control by threats. And if the threats did not work and the people did not want to comply with these threats, they would enforce their threats by death. So they would actually kill the people if the people did not want to be in compliance with their rules and their laws and their governance and their control. So the Levites are a really interesting people to study and interesting group to study, and I'm going to provide a series of videos going through all these strategies.